There's this soup everybody loves. Like when it is prepared, it does not matter the ethnic group where you are from. Once you taste the soup, it is love at first taste. And what soup is that? It is definitely OHA soup. Today we are on episode 7 of cooking one soup from the 36 states of Nigeria. Oh wow, we've come a long way and we are making OHA soup from Imo State. We are going to Imo and we are making OHA soup. So without so much being said, let's move right into the ingredients, shall we? These are the ingredients we need. Palm oil. Please use a very good quality palm oil. It determines the taste of your soup. It is very important. Blended cocoyam. This is the thickener of your soup. It is literally the base of your oha soup. Without your cocoyam, there is no oha soup. Trust me. These are my oha leaf. They don't slice oha leaf. They cut oha leaf. So when you get your leaf, maybe this is the leaf. I'm just taking this as an example. If this is your leaf, you don't use knife to slice your oha leaf. Instead, you cut them like this. This is my already properly rinsed oha leaf. It is already cut and ready to use. My beef, I'm using cow meat. Stockfish, ogiri paste. This one is very optional, but I choose to use it because I have it. I'm using smoked fish, crayfish, pomo, Cameroon pepper, blended scotch bonnet, bouillon cubes, salt. First thing first, we need to make the base of our soup. So we're going to start off with boiling our protein. So into my pot, I'll go in with my cow meat, stockfish, cow skin, also known as pomo. We need to keep this very simple. So we're just going to be seasoning with just our bouillon cubes. I'm going to be using 2 and salt. Stir to combine. We're going to cover this and allow it to cook in its own juice till it is very soft. Oops! I'm sure our meat is cooked already and the water is even dried up. So let's proceed to adding more water then going with the rest of our ingredients. Let's go in with our crayfish, Cameroon pepper, blended scotch bonnet, ogiri paste. There's this really good flavor ogiri gives Igbo soups and you don't want to miss that. Palm oil. This is the time we're going with our cocoyam paste. It's just basically getting the cocoyam from your local market, then peeling it and blending it into a paste just like this. It helps thicken your soup instead of using achi. For oha soup, we use cocoyam paste. Let's also go in with our smoked fish so that it can infuse its flavor into our soup. We'll let this come to a boil, allow the paste do its job and thicken the soup. Then we'll go in with our oha leaf lastly. This smells so good and I'm sure it's going to taste better. My goodness, it's doing Let's check it. This looks so good. Let's go in with our oha leaf right now. Looks so good. You know what? We're going to let this simmer for 3 minutes and we'll be back. Yay! It's Soputu Wawoing. This looks so perfect. And our oha soup is ready in how many minutes? This did not even take time at all. Let's just say in 40 minutes. It is so perfect. My friends, let me know what you'll be pairing this soup with. Trust me, yellow garri will hit with this soup. Perfect. If you watched till this point and you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I would love to connect with you and I would love to be your friend. So please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I love it when I see your comments. So please drop your comment and your suggestions in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this recipe and tell me if you'll be trying it out. And if you eventually try out this recipe, please send me feedbacks on Instagram, on TikTok, and even in the YouTube comment section. I'm Chef Temmie on Instagram, Chef Temmie on TikTok, and on Facebook, I am Chef Temmie. I would really love to connect with you, my friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you'll always be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next one, my friend. Bye.